Yeah, there's no life like the good life. That's what I like to say. This town is great. Nice little quaint places. Like there's an arcade here. Places to eat fresh lemonade directly from the springs. Yeah, when you're going up to Pikes Peak, hang out here for a little while. Manitou Springs, just outside of Colorado Springs. It's the little town on the way up to Pikes Peak. So if you're driving to Pikes Peak, you're going to pass through Manitou Springs. But I highly suggest if you got time before or after that, you stop, maybe spend a night, but definitely walk around this little town. It's awesome, it's quaint, and there's a lot of cool little stores in here with a bunch of fossils, knickknacks, crystals, rocks. Most everything in these little places is native to the caves and the mountains surrounding Manitou Spring. It's not just little knickknacks and gifts and souvenirs too. If you forgot some clothes, you need some warmer clothes, you can get a lot of that around here too. A lot of sculptures, woodwork, everything is really natural and beautiful. And then in here we did one just for the Christmas store, but Christmas in Manitou. Everything in here is hand carved, handmade. We were in here, I spent a little bit of money because they had little carvings of all my favorite sports teams. So of course I walked out with a little bit of that. But I love this old school town. You go down here and get some of this Manitou Springs lemonade. It's fresh, natural lemonade made from the springs itself. Absolutely delicious. Had to grab a cappuccino when I was there too. The lemonade is what sells this place too. Check it out though, it's right there next to the springs. You can see the river running through. Really good time. And then walking around this old town, even in the most unexpected places, you're gonna see something special in this town. You gotta love it. One of the things that I loved that was special was all these old vintage arcade games and all the old vintage pinball machines. A whole block was dedicated to this stuff, just like when you get the quarters and you go down there and have a good time. Yeah, VFC's Travels on YouTube. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss all these good videos. Yeah.